Multiplying fractions by fractions is really simple and requires no preliminary steps. Simply line up the fractions horizontally and multiply across. Numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. So A times C in the numerator and B times D in the denominator. Let's look at an example using real numbers. So I'm going to have the example of multiply 3/5 times 8/7. So all I need to do is multiply numerator times numerator on top, 3 times 8, and denominator times denominator for the bottom, 5 times 7. 3 times 8 equals 24. 5 times 7 equals 35. And that is it. 3/5 times 8/7 equals 24/35. Sometimes the product can be simplified. So let's look at an example where we multiply two fractions together, but then we can simplify the answer. So if I am asked to multiply together 2/3 times 3/8, I simply line up my two fractions horizontally, multiply the two numerators together. 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 8 equals 24. So that is the answer. It's very simple to do. But when I look at this 6/24, I see that this fraction can be simplified. Both 6 and 24 are divisible by 6. And so I can divide my numerator by 6 and my denominator by 6. And I'm really just dividing by 1. So I'm not changing the value of my fraction. I'm just changing its form. But it can be in a simpler form then. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. 24 divided by 6 is 4. And my answer in simplest form is 1/4. So in our problem, 2/3 times 3/8 equals 6/24, which I reduced down to 1/4 by dividing both top and bottom by 6. This is called simplifying or reducing fractions.